Tired of the constant tap 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 of your iPhone keyboard echoing every word you type? Let's silence it. First, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's usually a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Sounds and Haptics. Tap on that. Within the Sounds and Haptics menu, keep scrolling down, and you'll see a section often titled Keyboard Feedback or similar. Look for the option labeled Keyboard Clicks. To turn off the keyboard click sound, simply tap the toggle switch next to keyboard clicks. It will turn gray, indicating it's now off. And just like that, your typing experience is now silent. Enjoy a more focused and quieter way to interact with your iPhone.